Stop scrolling if you want to start your career in software testing, but you're confused about manual testing, then this video is for you. In this video, I will explain what is manual testing, when it is used, its advantages, and the difference between manual and automation. And I promise after this video, your basics will be crystal clear. So watch till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn with Utkarsha. This is video 2 of our manual testing course. If you haven't watched video 1, make sure to check that first. Now let's continue our journey. So let's see what is manual testing. So what exactly is manual testing? Manual testing means testing done manually by human tester. No automation tools are used. We open the application, click buttons, enter data and check whether the everything works correctly or not. So the main goal is to find bugs before the software goes to the customer, right? In simple words, manual testing is equals to checking software manually to ensure quality, right? I hope you understand what is manual testing is all about. Now let's see how manual testing is done. Now let's understand how we actually do it. So we click buttons, enter input data, verify the output, compare expected result with actual result. For example, if I enter correct username and password, I expect login to be successful, right? If login fails, that is a bug. Means I enter incorrect username and password. That's why login fails. Or it might be I input use a correct username and password, but still the login fails. Then that will be the bug. So this is how testers identify issues step by step. Now let's see when manual testing is used. So manual testing is mostly used in small projects in early development stages when requirements change frequently for usability testing, for exploratory testing. So here comes the term usability testing and exploratory testing. So just remember these words for now. I will explain it in future video that what is exactly the usability testing and exploratory testing. Okay, so why manual testing is mostly used? Because automation is not always needed, especially in short term or small projects, right? So that's why manual testing comes into the picture. So let's see the advantages of the manual testing. Firstly, it is easy to start. You don't need any coding knowledge for starting a career into the manual testing. It has a low initial cost. It is best for UI testing. UI testing means like user interface testing. And it gives flexibility to explore the application freely. So that's why manual testing is the foundation of testing career. So you should start your career. If you want to start your career in like software testing, so you should start with the manual testing so that your foundation level will be uh, clear and yeah, the base is clear, we can say. Now let's see manual versus automation. Now many beginners ask which one is better, manual or automation? So the answer is both are important, right? So manual testing and automation testing both are equally important. So there are pros and cons of each one of them. So let's see manual testing. So manual testing is done by humans, no coding knowledge required, but it is slower, right, as compared to automation testing. Now let's see the automation testing. So automation testing done by tools, right? It is not done manually, it is done by tools. Coding knowledge is very important in automation testing. Coding knowledge is required and results are faster and reusable. So you must master manual testing first, then move to automation testing. So strong foundation equals to strong career. Okay, so you should start manual testing first, then move to automation testing. So the manual testing is best for small projects, UI testing, and automation testing is best for large projects, regression testing. Manual testing takes more time. Automation testing saves time in long run. So these are the basics of manual versus automation. So if you are serious about learning software testing step by step, then like this video, comment your doubts, and subscribe to Learn with Utkarsha. Your one comment motivates me to create more valuable content. See you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.